5/8.
Now, that is not, I can look at it as a little bit of a wave in it.
Yeah, okay. Because that's not measuring out what it needs to be. Is 8 1/4, and then that's like 7 1/2.
That's low.
Yeah, that's 7 1/2. 8 1/2.
We're about to lose it.
That looks pretty level to me, right there. Tape. Grab a couple more pieces. I'm sorry. Let's do it early before it gets hot. It'll be right in the sun. Okay. Okay.
Right now, wait a minute.
So it may be
Down
easier
just a tad.
to
Right
read.
there's where it needs to be.
What you think?
That's pretty low right there.
Pretty good.
That's a little. Let's go down just a tad.
Just a touch, okay. How's that? You got my template boat up. There you go.
Still needs to go down just a tad.
Down?
Yeah.
Okay. Step back and take a look. Sticky, icky, ooey gooey tape template off of here. Yes, don't touch me. That's a beefy letter. Beefy. That's all she wrote. Stud. 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 W. Can't get any closer. Some beefy letters, aren't they? Thank you, sir. It's just me in the basket. Cool, thank you. That is white. Dang it. Oh, like a glove. Ew. Just a dab will do ya. Let's see, some mist. That's gonna be a nasty silicone now. This way. F. think it looks good. Hey, it's up there. Do we want to work on this?
Get one of my toolboxes I can stand on. That's hot. No.
Should be very, dang, this thing is hot.
Yes, it is. Very hot.
Should be very close to the same size, if not the same size.
Yeah, it's hot.
You want some gloves? Dang,
You
this
gotta
thing's,
come down like that much.
okay, this thing's hot.
Very hot.
Okay. Check the level one last time just to be sure.
It says level.
Send it. It's loud on my ears.
That's not too much.
Huh? That's kind of what I was thinking. Okay, and then probably in the basket to push it. Okay.
I'll just win at the top.
Okay, don't touch that. If you ever need to fry an egg, you could use this thing. So